You know how incredible and unbelievable it feels when watching a magician do a trick and you don't understand how it's done. Once you understand how it's done, the mystical part is dissipated. It goes away. I would like to reveal one secret to you for solving math, chemistry, and physics problems. One secret to learning math and physics is learn the steps. Math, physics, and chemistry is what's called serial learning. You must understand step 1 before you can do step 2, and you must understand step 2 before you can do step 3. A good way to set that up is on note cards. Put the problem on one side and step by step by step, how do you get to the answer? It's important to have a positive attitude. If you have a negative attitude about math, chemistry, or physics, it's going to be near impossible to learn the material. So be positive. You can see them as being hard and difficult, but you can still learn the information and get a high grade. One way to do that is work with someone who understands the information and can explain it to you. Meet with a study group, so you have other students exchanging information with you to increase your understanding. And then if you need it, use the tutoring services that are available on campus. In summary, understand and remember the steps. Have a positive attitude, which allows you to learn the subject matter even if you don't like it or it's difficult. Work with someone who does understand it. Meet with a study group, which is helpful. And use the tutoring services that are available on campus if you need to.